Planning the monitoring visit. In this section, we will discuss how to effectively organise a civic monitoring exploration. The information collection method may vary depending on the progress of the project you have chosen to monitor. Whether it is a project that has yet to start, a project underway, or a completed project. Projects that have not yet launched are those for which the payment status is still at 0%. In this case, your visit will be analytical or investigative. Namely, it will be aimed at ascertaining the reasons why the works have not yet begun. It is therefore important to interview the project managers and possibly add to the research using additional documents, articles, or information that can help you reconstruct the administrative history of the project and the reasons for the roadblock. For projects underway, you can do the monitoring on site in the most traditional sense of the term. With a field visit, you will be able to check on the progress of the works, the stage of the works, and if there are any problems affecting them or issues, and ascertain how long till the end of the project. On completed projects, a monitoring expedition can be done to test the service. Using some of the research methods described in the previous sections, for example, you can do an initial analysis on the impact the project is having on the geographical area. Now let's see how to practically organise the visit and divide the tasks between each member of the monitoring team. To organise the visit, you must first decide the time you will conduct the visit or come to an agreement with the entity that manages the site. If access is restricted, create and print a map of the expedition, for example by outlining a route or establishing the stops. Pay attention to authorizations and permits. For underage students, parental authorization is required to leave school premises. To enter places, you must request authorization to visit construction sites if they are close to the public, or obtain special permits for places with restricted access. As regards the interviewees, remember to prepare and distribute copies of policies regarding the use of data and consent forms for the use of photos and video footage. On each monitoring visit, it is important to organise well. Divide the tasks for each activity to be carried out. As for the interviews, decide among the members of your team who will ask the questions, who will verify the time available to do all the activities anticipated for the visit, who will distribute any survey, and who will note down the contacts of the people interviewed. For photos and video footage to be taken of the respondents, take note of these tips. For video recording of interviews, decide who will bring a video camera or a smartphone and who will bring an extra camera. Make sure you have fully charged batteries and ample storage space. For the audio recording of interviews, decide who will bring a voice recorder or a smartphone and who will bring an extra recorder. Always pay attention to the batteries and the storage space. Also document your visit with photos and videos and take pictures of important details related to the project underway. For example, the use of particular energy-saving technologies. During the monitoring visit, decide who will document the exploration with live tweets on the team account. All team members of the exploration must have one copy each of the organisational form for the visit with the division of tasks, a smartphone, the more the better, a copy each of the questions to be asked in the interviews, multiple copies of the plan for collecting other information during the exploration, pens and sheets or notebooks for notes. Now you're ready to organise your visit. Happy exploring!